Tomorrow is my birthday, and I'm here at Walmart to pick up my birthday cake. Hi, let's go to the bakery. Nobody's here. Oh yeah, I'm here to pick up. Thank you. Let me get a candle. Which one looks better? I think this one. Let's go with this. I'm actually hungry. What should I get? I didn't show you this patio. Yeah, tomorrow is my birthday, and my auntie sent me this whole setup, this umbrella, table, and chair for my patio. So I just assembled them and set up my patio like that. It is beautiful, isn't it? I got this ramen from Walmart. It was like $4 something. Not bad. I've been so lazy and didn't do anything for last 2 days. It was my days off. I don't know why. Like suddenly I didn't want to do anything, and I actually played a game, computer game for like 10 hours, 12 hours for 2 days. I slept very late, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and woke up at 11. I still feel so tired, but I can't go back to sleep. I'm trying to discipline, living my routine, but sometimes this thing come back regularly. Just don't want to do anything, being lazy and kind of depressed. Last night I deleted the computer game. I tried to back on my track to make videos, but I slept last night so late again. Today I didn't play the game. I made one video and list. I hope I'm gonna sleep early tonight, back to normal from tomorrow. This is kind of crazy. Yesterday and the day before, I ate only one meal a day, and both I actually ordered food delivery. I almost never order food because it's too expensive and I don't see the point. But yesterday and the day before, I was really lazy, and I don't know why I did that. One day I ate cold noodles, naengmyeon, and the second day I ate pho. Today I'm eating ramen. I think I really love noodles. This is my third time birthday alone. This time the difference is I have a cake. I will show you after this. Oh no. I just wanted to eat ramen peacefully and I just spilled it. Ha ha ha. Okay. Alright, I got cake here. Yeah, there's a older sister. She sent me this for my. Wow, that looks beautiful. Oh no, look at this. Huh? This looks beautiful. I want to show you this closely. 예쁘다. Let's light it up. I'll make a wish. I made a wish. Actually, I forgot to sing happy birthday song for me. Wow, this cake looks so nice. I was down this week because birthday. I didn't really care about birthday, holidays. Since I've been alone for a while, I think I started to care about them. Before I really didn't care about them because I was always close to my family or wife. Far from them made me feel lonely much more than before. Maybe that's why. Yeah, so, but as you know, I upload videos on Instagram, YouTube, like the short videos. Before I shared my emotions, like these kind of things I'm just talking about. Now I'm trying not to, because if I upload heavy feeling videos too often, I don't think it's a good idea. But here in this long video, I can share actually what I'm thinking, what I'm going through. So please bear with me. I'm not gonna be down all the time. Let me have a piece of cake. 와, 근데 진짜 너무 예쁘다. I love strawberry. I wanted to talk so many things, but I don't remember right now. I think I'm too tired. My brain doesn't really work right now. I'm gonna just wrap it up today. I'm going to come back with goodbye. Thank you for watching, and just leave me a happy birthday on comment, please. I just want to feel that I'm with you guys. Alright, thank you, bye.